Hi everyone. Welcome to Lispend Campus. 10 sentence every day, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. Let's get started. 1. How's it going? Key phrase, how's it going? This is a casual way to ask, how are you? 2. I'm good, thanks. Keyword, good. This means you feel okay, not bad. Keyword, thanks. This is short for thank you. 3. What's up? Key phrase, what's up? This is a friendly way to ask, what are you doing? Or what's happening? 4. Not much. Key phrase, not much. This means nothing important or special is happening. 5. Can I get a coffee, please? Keyword, get. This means to receive or take something. Keyword, please. A polite word you say to ask for something. 6. Here you go. Key phrase, here you go. This is what you say when giving something to someone. 7. I'll call you later. Key phrase, call you later. This means to phone someone in the future, usually the same day. 8. Let's meet at 3 o'clock. Keyword, meet. This means to come together with someone at a place and time. Keyword, o'clock. This is short for of the clock and is used to say the time. 9. I don't know. Key phrase, I don't know. This is a simple way to say you are unsure about something. 10. Have a good day. Key phrase, have a good day. This is a kind way to wish someone well as they leave. These are 10 everyday phrases you can hear and use in real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The breeze carries whispers, the stars softly glow. A rhythm eternal, only we know. Your hand in mine, the world melts away. Each step we take, the music leads our way. The congas echo, the horns start to sing. In this sacred moment, we feel everything. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passion's laid bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. Your smile ignites like a spark in the dark. Each motion a story, each glance a new spark. The melody wraps us like waves on the sea. rhythm, just you and me. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. The music speaks truths no words can convey. In your arms I'm home, where I long to stay. Let the rhythm guide us as stars lead the way. Our hearts are the music that will never stray. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. As the night fades, the rhythm will remain, a love everlasting in this sweet refrain.